In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Firefox bookmarks. Bookmarks are essential for quick access to your favorite websites. They save time and keep your browsing organized. Let's get started. First, click the menu button located in the top right corner of your Firefox window. This button looks like three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. When you click this button, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various options, including history, downloads, and settings. Finding your bookmarks begins right here. It's important to know where this menu is because it's your gateway to accessing all your saved bookmarks quickly. Next, click on the Bookmarks option in the menu. When you select this, a submenu will appear showing your saved bookmarks and any bookmark folders you may have created. This is where you can see all the websites you have bookmarked for easy access. If you have categorized your bookmarks into folders, they will be displayed here as well. This step is crucial because it allows you to quickly find and navigate to your favorite sites without the hassle of searching the internet each time. Now, to see all of your bookmarks in one place, click on the menu button again and navigate to Bookmarks, then select Manage Bookmarks. This will open the Bookmarks library, giving you an organized view of all your saved bookmarks. In this library, you can browse through folders, search for specific bookmarks, and even organize them if needed. Organizing your bookmarks can save you a lot of time later when you need to find something specific. Once you are in the Bookmarks library, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a sidebar on the left showing your folders and bookmarks. On the right, you can view details about the selected bookmark, including its URL. Understanding this layout is important because it enhances your efficiency in managing bookmarks. For a quicker approach, you can use keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl and Shift and O simultaneously to open the Bookmarks library directly. This shortcut is a great time saver, letting you jump straight to your bookmarks without navigating through menus. Once you use this shortcut, you will see the same Bookmarks library we discussed earlier. Having shortcuts at your disposal makes your browsing experience more streamlined and efficient. Another useful shortcut is pressing Ctrl and Shift and B to show or hide the Bookmarks toolbar. This toolbar is often located just below the address bar and provides quick access to your most used bookmarks. If you frequently visit certain sites, adding them to this toolbar can enhance your browsing speed. Remember, using the toolbar effectively can keep your most important links just a click away. Finally, you can search for specific bookmarks directly from the address bar. Just type an asterisk followed by a space and then your search term. Firefox will display bookmarks that match your search query. This feature is incredibly helpful if you have many bookmarks and want to find a specific one quickly. Remember, this little step saves you a lot of time later. With these steps, you now have a solid understanding of how to find and manage your bookmarks in Firefox. Organizing your bookmarks will enhance your browsing experience and efficiency. Thank you for watching and happy browsing!